Alright, so Kenneth is passed out. Alright, and earlier he told me he was just afraid of this little porcelain cat we have here in our house. So we're going to go put it in front of his face. Tell him, Jessica. Tell him. Jessica, tell him. Tell Kenny.
I'll show you. More. No fun. Yeah, it is nose. And I get it.
Oh my god, Kenny. You're putting hot sauce in his nose. Oh my god. Jessica, tell him. Jessica, tell him. Jessica, tell him. Kenneth has been terrified of his cats for like 5 or 6 years.
I would not doubt it.
Like 7 years.
Look at that eye. It's living.
It's not living.
Alright, well.
Porcelain. He has to wake up to one of them.
What is he supposed to do?
Right, he needs to see it when he wakes up, Jessica. It's not behind him. He's like...
Well, he's got hot sauce in his nose, in his mouth. Alright, well, hot sauce one more time. And let's go.
Are you putting it in his nose?
No, it's put in his lips and right on the tip of his nose.
With a porcelain cat.
With a porcelain? Are you serious? Like,
he's terrified of that thing. He has been for like 7 years.
Hold this. Oh, yeah. Hope he doesn't throw that thing.
He just laughed. Can you hear this shit?
Yeah. Oh no. You got me twice.
Oh my god.